Hello children, today I am going to teach O word related activity. Before O word related activity, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 30 July 2020. And which day today? Today Thursday. How is weather outside? Weather cloudy. How is which season going on? Season rainy season. Children, I revised in last period O word, all O word and O word related activity. But everybody open book number 4 and page number 21. Book number 4, page number 2121. So look here, which subject? Today's our subject is English and topic O word related activity. Then after I will explain about this date also. Children, look at the picture and complete the sentence. Look at the picture and complete the all sentence. You have already looked picture. Which picture I draw on the board and then we fill up sentence. Okay. First off, look here. THE, the. You read properly, then you fill up. Okay. THE, the. Then blank. IS, is. IS, is. IN, in. THE, the. Box, box. The is in the box. Look picture. Where is in the box? Dog. There is dog. So what we write here? The dog is in the box. That complete sentence. Okay. The dog. Okay. Now we make sentence. The dog is in the box. Okay. Then next picture children. It's a cop and cot. But we write here THE, the, blank. IS, is. ON, on. Cot. The is on a cot. Who won on a cot? Look picture. Who won on a cot? It's a cop. So we write here cop. The cop is on a cot. So I write here cop. Cop. The cop is on a cot. Okay. Then next picture is a cat. Cat has a road. Road picture I have no draw. Okay. THE, the. THE, the. Then blank. HAD, had. Rod. The blank had a rod. Cat has a rod. Okay. Cat has a rod. So we write here road. Cat. The cat had a rod. Then next picture is, look here everybody. Which picture? It's a girl and sit on the log. THE, the. THE, the. GIRL, girl. IS, is. ON, on. THE, the. Then blank. The girl is on the log. The girl is on the log. Where is girl? On the log. So we write here log. Then next picture, it's a boy has a toy. THE, the, blank. Has, toy. The has a toy. The boy has a toy. Who one has a toy? The boy has a toy. The boy has a toy. Now I repeat. Again, who one not fill up? So let's I repeat. The dog. What we fill up? Dog. is in the box. The dog is in the box. Then the cop is on a cot. Then the cat had a rod. The girl is on the log. The boy has a toy. Now children, I am going to teach today these and that sentences, how to make these and that sentences, and when we use these and that. We use these to talk about a thing that is near from us. When we use to talk about thing that this is far from near. That means whenever one thing is near from us, that time we use these. Okay, so it's I draw picture on the boards, so you look picture and with the help of picture you make these sentences. Which way sentences? These sentences. That means nearby thing. When we use these, whenever we use these, that time we touch thing, it's a nearby us, that time we use these. Like this, it's a pen picture. Which picture? Pen picture. Now how to make sentence use from these? How to make? So look here children. THIS this. Okay. THIS this. Because pen is near from us. So this is a pen. Why we use this? Because pen is near from us. Then next, which picture is this? It's a bag picture. Bag is also near from us. Look here. So we write here THIS this. Okay. This is a bag. Okay. We write this sentence and use this. We make this sentence. This is a bag. Okay. This is a bag. Now children, which picture is this? It's a book picture. Book is also near from us. So we use these. THIS this. IS is a book. THIS this. IS is a book. This is a book. Yes, this is a book. Then which picture is this children? It's a bed picture. That time also we use this. THIS this. IS is a bat. Yes, this is a bat. Then which picture? So fish. Which picture? Fish. This is a fish. THIS this. IS is a fish. This is a fish. Okay. It's all our these sentences. Which sentence is this? Then we use that. Whenever we use that to talk about a thing that is from for us. Okay. Whenever we think can't touch, that time we use that. It's a picture is far from me. You know, understand? I am here, but picture is drawn. That last point, that means is a far. Okay. So how to make sentence that? Then we use object from dog, box, rat, fan and mop. Okay. So we write here THAT that. THAT that. is a dog. Okay, that is a dog because dog is from for us. Then next picture is box. THAT, that. is a box. That is a box. Box is also far from us. That is a box. Then which picture is this? Next picture is rat. THAT, that. is a rat. That is a rat. Okay, that is a rat. Rat from for us, me. Next, which picture is this? It's a fan picture. THAT, that. is a fan. That is a fan. Okay, when we make sentence, we put full stop also. That is a fan. Fan for from us. Okay, then last one is a mop. Which picture is this? It's a mop picture. THAT, that. is a mop. That is a mop. Mop is also far from us. Now again I repeat how to make these and that. Now let's speak with me and listen carefully. Children, I drawn the picture on the boards. So object are so many object from we make these sentences. It's a pen picture. Which picture? Pen picture. So we use these, THIS, these. Why we use this? We use this because that pen is near from us. Okay. THIS, this. is a pen. This is a pen. Okay. Then bag. Bag is also near from us. THIS, this. is a bag. This is a bag because bag is also near from us. Then next sentence is book. We use book. So, book is also near from us. THIS, this. is a book. This is a book because book is also near from us. Then next picture is bat. Which picture? Bat. Bat is also near. THIS, this. is a bat. This is a bat. Okay. This is a bat. Then last is fish. Fish is also near from us. That time we use this. THIS, this. is a fish. This is a fish. Okay, understand? Now next sentence is a that. THAT, that. Why we use that? Because whenever picture near from us, we can't touch the things. That time we use that because that things is far from us. THAT, that. That means that dog. THAT, that. is a dog. That is a dog. That is a dog because far from us. Then which picture is this? Box. Box is so near. No. Box is so far. Okay, I am standing here, but box is far from us. THAT, that. Is a box. That is a box. Then which picture? Rat picture. Rat is also far from us. That. Is a rat. That is a rat. Then that is a fan. Fan is also near far for us. Then that is a mop. Mop is also far from us. That is a mop. Okay.